In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and install WordPress locally on Windows, PC, and Mac with just a few clicks. So you can make as many WordPress websites as you want without paying for hosting. Let's get started. In order to install WordPress locally, we will need to install a software in your computer, and I will recommend you to use Local by Flywheel because it's very easy to use and you can configure custom domains. And this is important to correctly set up links and images. To install Local, start by searching Local by Flywheel or by going to localwp.com and you'll see this website. Here you can click the download button and you can select your platform. This software works with Mac, Windows, and Linux. In my case, I'm going to choose Windows, which is my platform, and here you just need to add your working email. It could be your personal email too. Once you add your email, click the Get It Now button and you can download the software, and this could take a couple minutes. Once this file is downloaded, just open it and hit Next to everything and finish the installation process. It's very straightforward. This is how Local by Flywheel looks when it's installed. You're going to see something like this. You just have to open the program that is called Local and you'll see a window like this. Here you just need to click on the Create New Site button, and here with the Create New Site option select, click on the Continue button, and here you have to add a name to that site. So in this case I'm going to create, let's say, my personal portfolio. So I'm going to name it portfolio.local. And here you have some advanced options that you don't need to change. This is basically the path of the project, the domain and the path. You don't need to change this. Hit the Continue button. And here on the environment options, you can select the preferred, that is basically a default one, and you can customize the installation, but you don't need to do this. If you don't understand this, it's okay. I'm just going to show you what you can do here. You can select the PHP version. PHP is the programming language that WordPress uses. You can change also the web server. In this case, it's Nginx install. It's perfect. And the database is MySql. It's okay. I recommend you to go with the preferred option. Click here and then click the Continue button. And here, this is very important. This is the WordPress setup. Here is where you can add your username and your password and your email. So I'm going to add my username to log into WordPress. In this case, it's going to be this. I'm going to add my password. And you can select your email. And since this is a local website, this is a test site, I'm going to leave it like this. Under the advanced options, you can select if you are going to create a multi-site. In this case, I'm going to create only my portfolio, so it's a single site. So I'm going to leave it as no. And here I'm going to click the Add Site button. I have to give permissions to Local to create the website, and then it's going to start downloading WordPress. And here it started downloading WordPress, and everything is going to be automatic. After this process, you can have your WordPress website locally. This could take a couple minutes, so be patient. Don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to the channel if you like this video. Now my website was added. What I can do now is to open the site or go to the WP admin or the WordPress administration. I'm going to open the site first. And here you have a fresh WordPress installation. From here you can go to the WP admin and you have to add your credentials. And here you have it, a fresh WordPress installation working locally in your computer. If you go back to local, you can change a couple things. You can change the domain or the URL of your WordPress site, you can add an SSL certificate, basically the log icon on the address bar. You can change the web server and the PHP version. And you have a couple more things here. The database, this is where the information is saved. And you have a couple tools. Here's some mail log. This is very handy if you're working with emails. All of the emails are going to be logged here. And a very cool option about local is that you can enable a live link. So even if you are working locally, you can share a link on the internet so other people can see your website. Just if you're testing, let's say you are building your client website and you want to show how is it going, you can enable the link without paying for any hosting. You can here stop the site, and this is very important. If the website is stopped or is not running, it's not going to work. Here I stop the website and let's see what's going to happen. If I reload here, it's not going to work because it's not enabled. So I'm going to start the site, and if I do that and if it's running, it looks like it's running, it is working again. You can add another website here if you click the plus button, and you can follow the same process. Another name here, and you add all of the credentials. If you want to change any preference, you can go here to the hamburger menu and click the preferences menu, and you can change here, for instance, the theme. You can change it to dark, and you can change anything about the site defaults, exporting, and the advanced tab. That was everything for today. I hope this short tutorial helped you to start working with WordPress. And if you want to create a professional e-commerce website, I recommend you to go to this video and leave it here, because I will show you step by step how to create one. See you next time.